Guys, this is Kelashani from Food Review Online. Today we are going to talk about a multi-award winning restaurant called Sassy Spoon, which was created by Rachel Goenka. It has its presence in Powai, Nariman Point and in Koregaon Park in Pune. The cuisine is actually described as eclectic European, which has influences from Mediterranean, Asian, Indian with a sassy twist. So guys, the theme of travel on a plate is clearly evident on the extensive menu that they provide. They have comfort food from 10 countries and you know what, we're going to try all of that, so stay tuned.
Hello Kailash, this is your order from Sassy Spoon and my name is Savya. I'm going to deliver it.
Today from Sassy Spoon, what we really have on our menu is warm lemon couscous salad, cottage cheese and bell pepper nuggets. Then we have creamy spinach flatbread, and then we have nutty ricotta ravioli, and then fenugreek risotto. This sounds really exciting and we're really looking forward to trying it out. So I hope you like the same.
So what I'm going to be trying next is this salad. Let me see how this tastes. Oh wow, this is really good. It has broccoli, it has French beans, it has lettuce, also almonds, and you get that tangy flavor because of the lemon. This is really good and definitely something to try for.
So guys, what we're going to try next is fenugreek risotto. If you love European food, you cannot skip out on risotto. And you know what? It has tons of exotic vegetables in it. Let's see how it tastes. So now after trying this out, I really understand as to what they mean by the sassy kick that comes in, with the food. The aromas are so amazing, the taste and the flavors that have blended in so well. The exotic vegetable is giving that punch as well. I think it's a perfect way to make sure that you have a healthy meal and you maintain your flavors as well.
So guys, what I'm trying next is the cottage cheese bell pepper nuggets, and let me see how it tastes like. It's nice. It's loaded with bell peppers and cottage cheese. The bell pepper is giving it a slightly different taste. It's nice.
So guys, what we're going to try is creamy spinach flatbread. Flatbreads are my personal favorites because I'm not a big fan of those thick pizzas. Flatbreads is something that it's easier to have and lighter in terms of the portion. And spinach is my personal favorite. So I think everything goes in well for me. Let's try it out how it tastes now. It's cheesy for sure, and the spinach taste is not overpowering as well. I think that's a great way to actually start off your meal. So I'm going to finish this off now.
So what I'm going to be trying next is nutty ricotta ravioli. Let me see how this tastes. Okay, ravioli with different dry fruits inside and lots of cream and cheese. I think this is a food for somebody who is not much into spicy food. I think this will go well.
So guys, if you wish to order from Sassy Spoon and you've been a big fan of their food, I truly recommend that you go directly on their website and order, which is orders.sassyspoon.in, because you have amazing pricings and great offers going on their website. Also, as much as I know Sassy Spoon, they've been really keeping up to the hygiene and the the entire sanitization process. In fact, even the delivery guy comes in, is with a no contact, is wearing gloves, wearing mask. I truly recommend in terms of ordering from a place which is known for their hygiene, even before the COVID situation, and also their food is from all around the world. So everything that you get is in one combination. So let's go ahead and order Sassy Spoon.